Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more latest video updates of our channel. And do comment and mention how do you like the video. So let's start the video of filling out different money orders. In this video we will be studying how can you fill out the different money orders which are available. As in the previous video we have discussed what is a money order and the steps to fill out a money order. In this we will discuss different money orders that are available and how to fill them. The first one is how can you fill out the money order for Walmart. Second, how can you fill out the money order for Western Union. Third, how can you fill out the money order for Post Office. Fourth, how can you fill out the money order for DMV. Fifth, how can you fill out the money order for rent. Sixth one is how can you fill out the money order for yourself. And seventh one, how can you fill out the money order for passport. Next, so let's move further and discuss them one by one. How to fill out the money order for Walmart. How can you fill out the money order for Walmart? So let's start. Money order here can also be referred to as MoneyGram money order. Fine. To fill up the Walmart, it is to be filled for the payment purpose to whom you are paying. So filling out money order or the MoneyGram order for Walmart is quite simple. That involves certain steps for filling it. So some of the steps of filling out the MoneyGram order are as: Step 1, you need to fill out the MoneyGram order. First one involves you need to fill out the form that is available for the money order. Second step, fill out to whom you are paying. In second step, you need to fill out to whom you are making the payment to. Third step, fill out your money order address. You need to fill out your address here. Fourth step involves signing the money order. You need to sign the money order. And fifth step is keeping the receipt of the money order. As you have seen in the previous video, what is a money order and steps to filling out a money order, these steps are quite similar. So let's move further. Here, a picture or a sample of money order is depicted for Walmart. Here the Walmart is mentioned. Here money order is mentioned. As you can see, here it is written pay to the order of. You need to write to whom you are paying. Here the purchaser signature is there. Here your address is to be filled and the amount is to be mentioned here in numeric and here in words. So here the above image you can see MoneyGram money order or Walmart money order. That signifies pay to the order of. You have seen pay to the order of is written. Pay to the order of is written. Then the purchaser signature is there or drawer comparative signature. Here the purchaser signature is there. Next, what is it? Address is mentioned and here the address is mentioned. So you have seen the Walmart money order. Next we will move on to how to fill money order for Western Union. How can you fill out the money order for Western Union? Western Union money order is also quite simple. That involves following steps. Let's see the steps here. The first step is write the name to whom you are paying. You need to write to whom you are paying the order. Second step involved write your full name as well as the address. You need to write full name of yours and your address as well. Third step is filling out the account number. You need to fill out your account number if it is essential to be filled. Only in case if it's necessary. Or Step 4 involves signing the money order. You need to sign the money order. Step 5 here is take the receipt of your money order. You need to keep the receipt of your money order or Western Union money order. Next we will move on to how can you fill out the money order for Post Office. How can you fill out the money order for the Post Office? Let's see. Filling out the money order for Post Office also requires some steps that we will see. First step is filling out the recipient's name on the money order. Recipient's name or the payee name, both are the same. So you need to fill to whom you are paying. Second step, at the purchaser section you need to fill your address. You need to fill your address. This is also same. Third step, in case you are paying the money order for a bill, then you need to fill up your account number. You also need to fill out your account number in case you are paying for a particular bill. Step 4, sign the money order at the pay signature section. You need to sign here. These are your signatures. Step 5, keep the receipt. Step 5 is keep the receipt of the post office. Next is how to fill money order for DMV. How can you fill the money order for the DMV? It also involves easy steps which are to be filled. The first step is filling out the receipt's name on the money order. First step is to pay name or the recipient name to whom you are paying. Next step, second step, at the purchaser section you need to fill your address. You need to fill your address here. Third step, in case you are paying a money order for the bill, in case you are paying out it for a bill, you need to mention your account number. Fourth step, sign the money order. You need to sign the money order at the pay signature section. Where? At the pay signature section. Fifth step, keep the receipt. You need to keep the receipt that is available for signing and filling out the DMV money order. Next, we will study how can you fill out the money order for rent. It also involves certain steps, certain easy steps. First one is filling out the recipient's name. First one is recipient name to whom you are paying the check, or the recipient receipt to whom the check or the money order will be received. Second step, at the purchaser section you need to fill your address. Here also you need to fill your address. Third step involves paying a money order for paying a bill. If you are paying it for a bill, you need to mention your account number. Fourth step, you need to sign the money order. Fifth step, keep the receipt of the money order. Next, we will move on to how to fill out money order for yourself. How can you fill the money order in case you want to draw money for yourself? Filling out money order for yourself also involves easy steps, which are, we will see. The first step is filling out the recipient name on the money order. Here recipient name is your name. So here you will carve your own name. As you are paying it for yourself, the recipient will be you only. Step 2, at the purchaser section you need to fill up your address. Second step is almost the same. You need to fill your address. Third step, in case you are paying out money order for a bill, in case you are paying it for a bill, you need to mention your account number, but you are paying for yourself, then there is no need to mention this. Step 4, you need to sign the money order. Fourth is you need to sign the money order. Fifth step, keep the receipt. Last step is you need to keep the receipt for the same. Next is how to fill out the money order for passport. How can you fill out the money order in case of passport? While filling up the money order for passport, you need to pay it for the Department of the State. You need to pay it to the Department of the State. यानी कि the payee name will be the Department of the State. For example, in case of US passport, in case of US passport, what you will write as the payee name? US Department of State. You will write US Department of the State as payee name. Moreover, you need to check that if your money order is being accepted by the US Department of State or not. And else, apart from this, you need to see in case US Department is accepting your money order or not. So next video, up till then, thank you for watching the video. So in the next video, we will discuss some of the questions which are related to the money order.